Hello everyone. Today we are with our question number 11 that had asked by the UPSC CSC. It's Geography Previous Year Question Discussion Series and this is for our Prelims 2021. Let's read the question first. This is our question 11 and we are done with the 10 questions earlier. If you really find it useful, please go back and watch all the 10 questions. Read them, solve them and gather a lot of information which will help you in your prelims. So the question is, which one of the following is the characteristics of the tropical savanna region? So by reading this question, I think we can relate to all the questions which we have discussed earlier, that UPSC is in a habit of asking the features of the different climate, features of the different type of the ecosystem, whether it is a monsoon, whether it is a equatorial, it is a savanna. So we should be well prepared about all the season, all the kind of forest areas and ecosystem which exist around the world. So to solve this question, we need to have a basic piece of information of the savanna region. Let's move. Yes, we will start from here. Savanna vegetation include scrub. Okay, they are grasses and occasional tree. So what we get from here, they are scrub, it means they are grasses, they are occasional trees. It means area where you will find scrub and grasses and very few trees. It means the water availability is less in amount, and even these occasional trees will develop near the water holes, seasonal rivers and aquifers, and the plants and animals which live here, they have to adapt to the long dry periods. It means savanna is a type of climate or is a type of region where you will find long dry periods, and which nature of the plants you will find is xerophytic. It means where the plants which can exist, which can survive in an environment where the water availability is very less. For example, the thorn trees, the waxy leaves, so less and less water they lose through the evaporation, and acacia tree. So this is the kind of the vegetation which grow there, and now we will move to the basic answer. Savanna climate. Savanna climate is a transitional climate. It is found between the equatorial forest and the hot deserts. It means in equatorial we know there is an abundant amount of rainfall, and in deserts we know there is very less rainfall. So it is a transitional area in between. Not so much of rainfall but not so few that it convert into desert. It is a transitional type of climate. It is confined to the tropics. It means you will find it between the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn, and it is best developed where? In Sudan. It has a very distinct dry season and the wet season, and it is also known as Sudan climate because it is well developed in Sudan, and it also covers another areas of Africa like Kenya, Nigeria, Gambia, as well as large areas of Australia. Recently we listened about the bushfire in the Australia because the water availability, the rainfall, the dry season is so long that the forest catch fire. The South America, in the Brazilian highlands, in India also. Tropical savanna climate are relatively hot since they lie with the tropical latitude. The dry season in savanna grassland is cooler. Notice it, the dry season is very cool in the comparison of the wet season, because in wet season there is a high humidity, and it has well developed wet and dry season which we have done already. And these are the areas which we get to know, that in India, that in the South America, in the Africa, these are the blue marked areas which we have done here also, that in Africa, Kenya, Nigeria, Gambia, in the Australia, South America, even in India we find these savanna type of climate. And one piece of information is also left, that is monsoonal climate with very distinct wet and dry season. They are of typical of savanna ecosystem worldwide. We can see that the savanna type of climate or the ecosystem have some relevance with the monsoonal season also, because we have done in our past videos that monsoon is a type of climatic system where there are distinct wet and dry season. there will be a season, then the saplings and the new leaves will come out. It is a spring season, and in the autumn, there will be no leaves, and there will be the trees with their skeleton, there will be no leaves or fruits on them. So monsoon is a season distinct climate. Similarly, the savanna is an environment or an ecosystem where there is a distinct wet and dry season, and the summer and the dry season is comparatively cool, while the rainy season is warm, because there is a high humidity in the environment, and the low pressure area which develop, and after developing that low pressure area and high temperature, there will be the rainfall. So this is our question. So what we will answer it? We will answer it that savanna type of region where there are definite dry or distinct season. Okay, definite dry distinct season, because we know the rainfall throughout the year. If we talk about the option number 1, so in our past videos we have discussed in very much detail that they are the equatorial type of forest where you will find the rain throughout the year. Okay, and in our next videos we will do about the Mediterranean type of climate. Okay, then we will discuss other options also. So here our answer is D. That's all. Thank you guys. And if you really find the videos and the question discussion is useful in your preparation, then I request you please share these videos to the other aspirants so that they can also take the help. Thank you guys. Like the videos and subscribe the channel. Thank you.